A piece of hungry lick me a while ago. Jesus. Look how the good figurine now I've done use. Jesus. You have to dust it off, you know. Alright, turn it on. Like foreign. Put it on eye. Yes, there you go. Then pat on the stove. I'm going to draw for the coconut oil. Yeah. Coconut oil. You probably wonder what I'm making. I'm making egg de la scramble. Egg de la scramble a la carte. No man, smoke come out of the pot. You know that pot they used to oil and smoke at them somewhere there. Alright. You mean. Jesus. Why they got be so festive? Jesus. Watch Top Chef. Watch Top Chef. Yeah. Watch Egg Bubble. Yeah. And since you are the Top Chef 15, then you have to flip the egg. You have to flip it. Flip it. You have to flip it. You have to flip it. Yeah. Yeah. What I am, man. I'm a cook on a divorce. Watch Top Chef. I never find a bread, so I'm just use this. Yeah. So it's a pandemic. I just work the way I have. Egg and salt, milk, orange juice and so. I'm a little movie. What is breakfast? Yeah. This is how you type people, daughter. This is how you type people, daughter. Lives one of the family. Madly. Come link me. I got you.